Hello student, today we will start combination of cells. Group of cells is called a battery. From a single cell, only a limited amount of current can be drawn. In order to have a large value of current, the cells are usually connected in series or in parallel, or the cells are mixed group. First, A cells connected in series. In A, when cells are of the same EMF and internal resistance. In series combination of the cells, the negative terminals of a cell is connected to the positive terminal of another cells and so on, as shown in the diagram. Consider n identical cells, each of EMF E and internal resistance are connected in series to an external resistance R, as shown in the figure. First cell, second cell, dash dash, and so on, nth cell connected to external resistance capital R. When the cells are connected in series, the total EMF of the series combination is equal to the sum of the EMF of the individual cells. Thus, E effective or E equivalent is equal to E plus dash dash up to n terms, or E equivalent is equal to n into E. The internal resistances of all the cells are in series, so E effective or E equivalent is equal to R plus dash dash up to n terms is equal to n into R. Now the effective internal resistance NR is in series with the external resistance R, so the total or equivalent resistance of the circuit is R equivalent is equal to R plus N into R. The current flowing in the circuit is given by I equal to N into E upon R plus NR. Equation first. Special cases. First case, if R is very greater than NR, that is external resistance is very large than the effective internal resistance of the series combination of the cell, then R plus N into R is equal to R. Hence, equation first becomes I is equal to N into E upon R, or N into E upon R is equal to N times the current due to a single cell. Thus, in order to get a large amount of the current from the cell connected in series, the external resistance should be very large as compared to the net internal resistance of the cell. Next, second condition, if R is very less than NR, then R plus NR is equal to NR. Therefore, the equation first becomes I is equal to N into E upon N into R, or E upon R. So I is equal to current due to a single cell. Thus, if large number of cells in series are connected to a very small external resistance, then the current from these cells will be equal to the current due to a single cell. It means there is no use of such a combination of cells. Next, B. When cells are of different EMF and internal resistances. Consider two cells having EMF E1, E2 and internal resistances R1, R2 respectively, connected in series between points A and C. A and C. Let I be the current flowing through the series combination. Here it is I. Then the terminal potential difference across the first cell V1 is equal to EMF of the cell minus potential drop across its internal resistance, or V1 is equal to E1 minus I into R1. Similarly, the potential difference across the second cell V2 is equal to E2 minus I into R2. If V is the potential difference between the points A and C, then V is equal to V1 plus V2 is equal to E1 minus IR1 plus E2 minus IR2, or V is equal to E1 plus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. It is equation first. Let the series combination of the cells be replaced by single cell of equivalent EMF E equivalent and internal resistance are equivalent, then V is equal to E equivalent minus I into R equivalent. It is equation second. Comparing the equation first and second, we have E equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2 and R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. If in this type of combination any one cell is connected opposite, then total EMF will be E equivalent is equal to E1 minus E2 when E1 is greater than E2, or E equivalent is equal to E2 minus E1 when E2 is greater than E1. That is, in series combination of cells, their EMF are additive or subtractive, while their internal resistances are always additive. Second, cells connected in parallel. A. When cells are of the same EMF and internal resistance, when the positive terminals of all the cells, positive terminals, are connected to one point and all their negative terminals of another point, the cells are said to be connected in parallel as shown in the figure. Consider n identical cells, each of EMF E and internal resistances are connected in parallel to an external resistance R as shown in the figure. Since cells are connected in parallel, so the total EMF of all the cells is equal to EMF of a single cell. That is, E equivalent is equal to E. Equivalent internal resistance of n cells connected in parallel is given by 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus up to n times is equal to n upon R, or R equivalent is equal to R upon n. Now R equivalent and R are in series, therefore the total resistance of the circuit is equal to R equivalent plus R, or R upon n plus R. The current flowing through the circuit is given by I is equal to E upon R plus R upon N, or I is equal to N into E upon R plus N into capital R. It is equation first. Special cases: first, if capital R is very greater than small r, then R plus R upon N is approximate equal to capital R. Therefore, the equation 1 becomes I equal to N E upon N into R. N to N cancel, so I is equal to E upon R is equal to current due to a single cell. Therefore, such an arrangement of cells is of no significance. Second, if capital R is very less than small r, then capital R plus small r upon n is equal to small r upon n. Therefore, the equation 1 becomes I equal to E upon R upon n, or n into E upon R is equal to n times the current due to a single cell. Therefore, in order to get a large current in the circuit, cells may be connected in parallel to a small external resistance. Next, B. When cells are different EMF and internal resistances, consider that two cells of EMF E1 and E2 having internal resistances R1 and R2 are connected in parallel between points A and B. Here point A, here point B. First cell EMF E1, internal resistance R1. It is first cell. Next, second cell EMF E2, internal resistance R2. Here current I in this branch, I1 in this branch, I2. If I1 and I2 are the currents supplied by the cells, then the parallel combination of two cells provides a current I is given by I is equal to I1 plus I2. It is equation first. Let V be the potential difference between the points A and B, since the cells are connected between the points A and B. For first cell, V equal to E1 minus I R1, or I1 is equal to E1 minus V upon R1. For second cell, V is equal to E2 minus I R2, or I2 is equal to E2 minus V upon R2. Substituting the values of I1 and I2 in equation first, we get I is equal to E1 minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2, or I is equal to E1 upon R1 minus V upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V upon R2, or I is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Or I is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 into R2 minus V R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 or V into R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 minus I, or V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 into R2 into R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 minus I R1 R2 R1 plus R2, or we can write V is equal to R1 to R1 to cancel, so E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 minus I R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. It is equation second. Let the parallel combination of cell be replaced with a single cell of EMF E equivalent and internal resistance R equivalent, then V minus E equivalent minus I R equivalent. It is equation third. Comparing equation 2 and third, we get E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2, and R equivalent is equal to R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2, or we can write 1 upon R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2, or we can write R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Also, E equivalent upon R equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2, or E equivalent upon R equivalent is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2, or E equivalent is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 into R equivalent. Example first, 10 cells, each of EMF 2 volt and internal resistance 0.01 ohm are joined in series to provide a supply to a resistance of 10 ohm. What are the current and the voltage across the external resistance? Number of cells n equal to 10. Current drawn from supply I is equal to N E upon R plus NR. So put the value, or I is equal to 10 into 2 upon 10 plus 10 into 0.01, or 20 upon 10 plus 0.1 is equal to 20 upon 10.1, or I is equal to 1.98 ampere. So voltage across the resistance R, V is equal to I into R, is equal to 1.98 into 10 is equal to 19.8 volt.